Okay guys, and I got Spin Master Monster Jam. This is the brand new toon shaded megalodon. There guys, looks like somebody sketched it. But it's like the Toro Loco I unboxed not too long ago. I think I unboxed it like 2 months ago. So there's all the back, of course. We know that. Series 46. We know what they are. Pretty cool. Packaging. Megalodon. Ooh. Has like a, well, it's textured, which is cool. Pretty cool. There it is. Megalodon, guys. It has like a teal roll cage, dark blue tires, white rims, and bead locks. Megalodon, like sketched in Monster Jam. I love that black detail they put on it, right there. Nice. The flippers, as always. We know that. Windshield, Monster Jam logo, and it's all like drawn, which is cool. And white chassis, of course. I love how it has like a texture to it. It feels kind of like smooth. No, kind of rough and smooth at the same time. BKT tires. Pretty cool, guys. I got one more to show you guys. Peace out.